Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you step by step how to make a YouTube account. So let's get started. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, tips, and strategies to start an online business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So this video is the first step in my playlist, which is how to create a YouTube channel. And in that playlist, I show you how to shoot your first video, which I'll leave a link up above for that video, and I show you how to do some things and customize your YouTube channel and how to edit your videos and how to upload your videos. But the first thing you need to do is create a YouTube account. So that's what this video is going to show you. So the first step is to create a Google account. So I'm on myaccount.google.com, and I'll leave a link down below so you can access this page really easily. So I'm going to hit create account, give it my first name, my last name, and for this I'm just going to do Steve Green 0109 at gmail.com because I know that that is available. So give it a password. Hit next. Now I'm not going to give it my phone number. I'm going to put in just my birth date and put mail and then hit next. And then hit I agree. All right, so now I have my Google account. All right, now that I have my Google account created, I'm going to go to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. And if you're not logged in up here, make sure that you're logged into this new account that you just created. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to create channel. I'm going to hit get started. And I want it to be, you can either choose your username. For this, it would be steve.green, or you can choose a custom name. So for now, I'm going to use a custom name. For this channel, I'm going to use another domain that I have called Social Retrospect, which is my wife's newsletter. So I'm going to call it that. I'm going to agree to the account terms, and then I'm going to hit create. So now you have the option to upload a profile picture. You can tell people what your channel is about. You can put your description in here. You can add links to your website, to your Facebook profile, to another URL like your Twitter or your Instagram. I'm going to set that up for later, so hit that. So now I have my YouTube account or my YouTube channel created. Now I have other videos that show you how to create your custom artwork, how to customize your channel, and I'll leave a link up above where you can go watch that video. And then I'll show you how you can make money from your YouTube channel, and you can go watch this video here and it'll tell you how you can make money with your YouTube channel promoting other people's products. So that's all for today's video. I know it's a really short one, but it's a really simple process to make your first YouTube account. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up so I know to create more videos like this. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm putting out weekly content that gives you the tools, tips, and strategies to start an online business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what kind of YouTube channel you're going to create, as I would love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.